Hello, Chef here once again. Moving right along here, we've got this beautiful cucumber. I'm going to show you a quick garnish. It's very simple. I prefer to cut off the top and the bottom before I do my garnishing work. And we're going to use a peeler and just do some peels like this right down the cucumber. Okay. This does a few things. I'm not going to get into all the technical details, but it makes it easier to eat, and I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, I'm also going to use a channel knife and do a little more decoration here, just like this. Okay. Wow, very cool. All right. I'm going to save these, and then I'm going to do some paper thin slices. Zoom in for you here, you can see what I'm up to. And paper thin slices, you start just like this. Your knife's got to be very, very sharp, and you're just going to go really, really thin like this, okay? Chef here, yet a few more tricks to show you here. These were my leftover cucumbers. Put them in little knots like this. Okay, it's a nice garnish. We're going to start with some of these sliced, beautiful cucumbers that I made. And we're going to go just in a nice circle around the plate like this.